In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a QuickBooks Online subscription. Whether you're switching to a different accounting software or just don't need QuickBooks anymore, cancelling your subscription is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few steps. So let's dive in and walk through this together. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on it and make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it on the same page. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be directed to a page asking which QuickBooks service you're trying to access. In this case, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online. Choosing this will take you to a new page where you'll be asked to enter your login information. Carefully type in your email and password and then press continue to proceed. This will direct you to your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the settings gear icon. It's usually found in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this little gear will open a drop down menu with various options for managing your account settings. From this list, select subscriptions and billing. This section is a hub for all things related to your QuickBooks plan, including your billing details, current subscription status, and available features. Now that you're in the subscriptions and billing section, you're ready to initiate the cancellation process. Look for the option that says cancel your subscription. This should be plainly visible, but if you have any trouble finding it, check under the details or within any tabs related to your billing information. Once you've located the cancel your subscription option, click on it. This will prompt a series of questions or confirmations from QuickBooks to ensure that you intend to cancel your service. Be sure to follow any additional instructions provided on screen, as these might vary depending on factors like whether you have an outstanding balance or a specific plan type. Make sure you read through any terms or conditions regarding cancellation, particularly if there are fees or pending charges that might be affected by your decision. When you've completed all the necessary steps, you should receive a confirmation that your QuickBooks Online subscription has been successfully cancelled. Be sure to save this confirmation for your records just in case you need to reference it later. And that's it, you've now cancelled your QuickBooks Online subscription. If at any point you need help or run into any issues, consider reaching out to QuickBooks support for assistance. They're usually very helpful with any account related queries or problems. Thanks for watching, and good luck with whatever accounting solutions you decide to use next.